In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ChatGPT to write a Shopify product description. The goal here is to create a product description that sounds clear, persuasive, and professional without spending too much time staring at a blank page. ChatGPT can help you organize your ideas quickly, but the best results come from giving it the right information from the start. Begin by opening ChatGPT. Once you're inside, think of it like working with a writing assistant. The more specific you are, the better the output will be. Start by entering the product name along with the most important details. This can include what the product is, what it does, what it's made of, how it's used, and anything else a customer would need to know right away. Next, add the key benefits, the main features, and a short description of the target customer. This part matters because features tell people what the product has, while benefits explain why those features matter. You should also make it clear who the product is for, so the description feels more relevant and tailored to the shopper. After that, ask ChatGPT to write a Shopify product description. Keep your request direct and specific so the response matches the style you want for your store. To make the result more useful, request a version that includes paragraphs, bullet points, and a call to action. Paragraphs help tell the story of the product. Bullet points make important details easy to scan, and a call to action encourages the customer to take the next step. Once ChatGPT gives you the description, review it carefully for accuracy. This is a very important step because AI can write smoothly, but it still depends on the information you provide. Make sure the materials, sizing, claims, features, and overall tone are correct for your brand and your product. If something feels vague or overstated, adjust it before using it. Then add keywords naturally for SEO. The keyword here is naturally. You want to include search terms your customers might use, but the description should still sound human and easy to read. Avoid stuffing in repeated phrases because that can make the copy feel awkward and less trustworthy. When everything looks polished and accurate, paste the final description into your Shopify product page. From there, you can format it as needed and make any final edits so it fits the layout of your store. With this process, you can create product descriptions faster while still keeping them informative, appealing, and ready to help convert visitors into customers.